All right, it's good afternoon. Today is April 30th, 2021. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. And it is Vlog 84. Awesome. Actually, I just got up from a nap because I had to get up early, do some work this morning and stuff. But before that, I need a tuning. It's warm today. When this weather changes, oh my god, I lost my tuner. Hold on a second. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. I wasn't ready, but here I'm ready now, I guess. Tune. I gotta show you guys something. It's so funny. Let me see if I can get this to work. I wasn't even ready on the thing either. Bum. First. Oh yeah, we'll totally get this going. Where's the Epocam? See if that shows up. Ooh, Epocam. Might be working. Let's see. That's waiting. Not yet. I'll wait till it warms up. I'll do a tuning right now. Here we go. Nice. Actually, guess I wasn't ready today. It's kind of crazy. Let's see. Epocam, are we working? Nope, not yet. No. Why aren't you not working? Let me see. Oh, maybe it is. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is crazy. I'm sitting here with, let me do it this way. I'll add a camera. Should I want that camera? I want that camera.
Dado.
And Carrie's going out to but there's my buddy sitting right here in front of me.
Like a boo-boo.
Like a boo-boo. Look at this guy. Hi, Kiton. What are you doing?
He's on nothing. He's all hot.
Oh my god, this is hilarious. He's just like, yeah.
So don't bother me.
He likes the new desk, so awesome. Your little buddy was tired.
I was tired.
And he likes it. So funny. It's because, let's see. It's kind of warm today. Let me put up another camera. p.m. I'll do a tall, and we'll do iPhone. Showing you how to use eCam right now. That's what it's like. 79. It is pretty warm right now. We have fans rocking. It's pretty crazy. But it's supposed to get cooler tomorrow, so we will see. Awesome. That kid Ton. What's up, Bubba? Oh my goodness. So he's hanging out with me. Recap. Actually, Carrie's going now. Are you driving, baby?
I am driving. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Have fun. Who are you seeing?
Paige, Pam, and Joji.
Oh my gosh.
The band is back together.
The band is back together. Oh my god, we're in trouble. All right.
Wait, where's my putt key?
I don't know.
Oh, it's right here.
Your putt key. Oh my god. Bye, baby.
Bye. Mwah, look at this kitty.
Like kitties.
Love you.
Love you too. And there she goes out the door. Butt wagging. But yeah. What was I gonna say? I got distracted. Oh yeah, what did I do yesterday? Yesterday, actually I got to sleep in. Thursdays has been coming kind of like a chill day. Like, I'd have stuff to do, but there was nothing pressing, so. But Thursdays have been turning out like that, so it's cool. Gosh, I didn't write that much. I've been like tripping lately. Worked on some song sheets yesterday. I was moving files on the computer yesterday. Me and Carrie walked to get acai bowls. That was cool. And then what else did we do? Actually, I just chilled all day. I was working on the computer. I was doing some editing stuff and, did my 100-day song and, did my thing. What did my song do? It's funny because we had to rent a car because our car won't be done till tomorrow. Hopefully, we shall see. But yesterday's song was, it was Feeling Alright. Yeah, I gotta write some songs. And today's song, I'm not sure. I think I might do Please Don't Understand. We'll see. Or The Girl from Ipanema. One of these ones. We shall see. I will look and see. And then, I thought I talked to somebody yesterday. Oh, and then I had my sound check with Ukulele yesterday. That was fun. And, we've just known each other from NAM and the gigs that he does with Cynthia Lynn and Abe Lagrimas and stuff. And we've talked in passing. We've got a chance to talk, but we didn't get really a chance to talk till last night, and it was cool. And he's awesome. A cool guy. And I love what he's doing with the ukulele. And we talked about a little bit about like just stuff until we got cut off. I think the internet dropped last night. So, and then, and then I just got to know him a little bit more, and it's kind of cool. Like, and actually on eCam, like we were testing it to see if we could play together, and we could. That was so crazy. So like now with like the faster computer and stuff like that, this process is fast enough to do it live, and I want to test it more. I think it was just with him, but gosh, it was so cool. We actually jammed for a minute. It was so funny. I was like, yes, that was awesome. Oh yeah, that's what I had. Let me write that down. Sound check with Ukulele. And it's just crazy because he actually thinking about it, like I looked at his videos. He's been doing this for a long time, and he's had millions and millions of views on his videos. He teaches inspires a lot of people to play ukulele, which is awesome. And yeah, he's just doing his thing up in Oakland. So another Filipino brother playing ukulele. So that's pretty rad. And that was good to converse with them, and we're gonna have a cool interview tomorrow, so that's gonna be great. other than that, that was pretty much it. Today, I'll tell you about today. We had to wake up early. Carrie had an appointment in Torrance for a new client, and then so she had to drop me off. My car, remember, is in the garage. I haven't driven in a while, so and her car is in the shop, so we don't have a car. But Carrie rented a car. We got one of those, a beater Yaris. It's so funny, a little blue thing. And then she drove me this morning to Dave's because I had an early appointment at 10 with Maggie, and that was cool. Maggie was just down here in San Diego taking care of a few things. She lives up in Grass Valley area up by Sacramento, and heard about our hand pans and wanted to stop by. And we had a good hand pan session. She got a new hand pan, and she was off to Grass Valley. It was pretty awesome. So, and I love selling hand pans. It's so awesome. Like, I sold a lot of things, and hand pans is just so fun to sell. And it's not. I don't think it was the hand pan. It was the music or the message that I shared with her, especially about the 4 principles, because that's what I told her. And she was like, "Oh my god!" And we just had a cool conversation about that. And she's getting a hand pan. I showed her a few things, and she's just, yeah, this is cool. So, yeah, that was really cool. It's cool to meet people like that. Oh, something's dropping. It's cool to meet people like that, and it's cool to put a smile on people's face, because that's basically what the hand pan does. And I showed her how to use it, and she was just happy. It was cool. Just smile. She was like, we had a few out, and it's funny because when I sit there with people, like, I could tell which one they like because they keep holding on to it, and that's what she was doing. But awesome, Maggie. Awesome to share with you hand pan stuff if you ever watch this, and I'm sure we'll be talking more in the future on the lessons. And then, I put that car in the shop, and then when I came back, it was kind of warm. And I was a little bit tired, so I took a nap and just woke up now. And I'm just doing the vlog, and then I'm going to do my song. I don't know which song I'm going to do. I don't know if I can do it right now, but just kind of wake up and do that. But yeah, it's Friday. I'm excited, even though I did have to take a nap. And my little buddies want me to take a nap right now. That's what he's doing. It's like nappy time. And actually, let's see. Whose birthdays are today? Any birthdays today? La 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 la. Birthdays, I think I saw some. Nelson Salmeron. Oh my god, I can't believe I have him on my thing. Wow, that's my. Oh, wow. See, so this is what I like Facebook for. Sometimes you see people you haven't seen in so long. And Nelson Salmeron, yeah. He was one of my buddies in the Air Force, and we spent some time in, it's that little atoll. Gosh dang it, Diego Garcia. And we used to go fishing all the time, and he knew how to sail, and he taught me how to sail and stuff like that. So cool. Patrick Lee calls. It's funny that this guy's, and I remember this kid. He was like 17 or 18. I was playing ukulele in, I think it was Amsterdam, in the airport, and he came up and we started talking. It was funny. He's, "Oh, let me friend you." And this guy like is into. It was kind of crazy. Meeting young people that he was into. He wants to be a statesman or something like that. He was into politics. It was kind of crazy. Skip Harrison, cool buddy, friend of my brother's, and family friend. And Skip, happy birthday, brother. That's cool. Awesome. Actually, Songdo was just the other day. I didn't say happy birthday to him. Chris, wow, there's so many good. Stephen Bogyong, Air Force recruiting buddy. Happy birthday, Stephen. He was the other day. Awesome. Those are the birthdays for today. But this weekend, actually tonight, there's a secret thing. Secret party tonight. Skateboarding thing. I don't know if I have the energy to go out, but we'll see. It's like at 8:00. Like, I might want to go roll out and see some stuff or get some footage. It'll be fun. And then tomorrow I have the live show with Ukulele. I have the Uk Social. It's ukulele all weekend. And then Sunday, chill day, hopefully, but it's basically going to be catching up with stuff because I honestly need to start editing some stuff. And I don't have the energy right now. But I'll get it done. And let's see. Anything else I'm doing? I'm going to do after this, I'm going to do a thing, and then I'll probably edit. That's what I'm going to do tonight. Other than that, this is Friday, and I'm going to hopefully have a good weekend. No, I know it's going to be. Every time I have ukulele stuff, I always have a good weekend, so it's kind of crazy. But that's all I have for me today. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. You can see me on my songs. I think I have a song for tomorrow. I gotta count the days. I might have to do it tomorrow. Yeah, that's all I got. And with that, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah. Wow, it's so dry right now. It's hot. See you Monday.